looking at Phil Cainglet and she missed a spike earlier. She had actually saw too many things on her mind that she saw the open spot, couldn't nail it. 4-10, and look at this. I am scared when Cagayan is all smiling.
That's right.
Means they're ahead.
By a lot.
Oh, kept in play by Mercado. Cainglet. Ripachot. Mukhang out. Jose keeping it alive. Sa gitna.
Dan si Maizo.
Angge.
Wow!
Oh. Hala, bukas at tapos nito.
Long rally para sa atin.
Oh, na ilang si Phil doon sa block. Wala, ang volleyball, hindi pwedeng panoorin. We saw that constantly kanina eh. What out? Recover.
Move. A song by Coco Wang.
Coco Wang. Napaka New York.
Yeah.
In the meantime, Soraya. Eulalio just missing. Angge. I love calling her Angge. She's so bagay. Hulog. Meantime, 2 out 4. You're right, Turin. When they're smiling and laughing, means they're ahead. Rexona, antiperspirant, it won't. Antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down.
Well, Cagayan's playing well, but you know, Coach Oliver was mentioning defense. If we have no defense, wala. You know, everything stems from defense so that they can actually utilize their advantage, which is Coco Wang, Moreno Ano in terms of height. If they can use their defense, then they can convert it into offense.
I agree. Ooh, lakas. She's so slim and lithe, but she packs a lot of wallop, si Angie Tabacero, no?
Yeah, you know, I always would say, no, that she has one of the best contacts, eh. Yung sound, diba? Sarap pakinggan, eh.
Bang! Kabit na kabit talaga, eh. In the meantime, Meralco gets something going. They're down by just 5, as we remind you that Axel is our outfitter, the only outfitter we use here. In the Shakey's League, it's the official outfitter. Penetrante.
Good serve.
Good track down by Mercado. Tinaas ni Manza, natatawa pa. Good digging by both sides. Wang almost missed that. Tabacero with a yelp as well.
Good rally.
Cainglet.
Maganda coverage ng both squads.
Kakain muna ako.
Parang bukas ba tayo?
Sige, pagbalik ko, nandiyan po kayo, ha? Tabacero, tinapos ang harutan ng bawat side, no, ha? Actually, we have almost like an all-star game here today.
That's right.
Lumuhod si Jose. Si Coco Wang. Sinampal pa kabila.
Good day.
Ripachot. Kaso nakuha gundang pick-up doon. Soraya, chinek ang kabila. Ripachot. Kababayan! Because as the official ball of the Shakey's League, it's like April Jose is telling her kid sister Coco Wang. This is what you do. You follow your ate, huh? See what happens when you follow your ate? We score. 8-14.
Just listen.
Listen to me. We'll go places. They're stylish, you're in New York, but I'll take care of you. 8-14. Phil Cainglet. Nice pick up by Maisa.
This is a good opportunity for Meralco.
Is it in? It is in. Eulalio, because ang ganda ng stoppage na ginagawa ng Meralco. They're playing good defense. Nice block by Wang. Galit si Tripachot. You know, unfortunately, that is the way it is played. It's nothing personal. You have to really look for the smaller blocker. Wang, however, hits it outside, and it is now 16-9. Pangalawang technical timeout ng larong ito. Yan po ang boosters. Yan po ang power ng taga-suporta ng Meralco. Power Spikers. May mga tumitili. Dati puro lalaki lang sila ngayon. May mga tumitili na rin.
Sakit nga eh, diba kanina? We were like,
gulat tayo. Soraya's slamming it into the net, but she also has that nice smile for all of you.
That's right. Well, so far here in the first set, Cagayan, 10 attack points as compared to 3 for Meralco. That's quite a disparity.
Labas. Now, if Meralco gustong rumimati rito sa puntong ito, eto na yon. Eto naman, wag yung pagpumalo ng 18-19. Ang hirap ng umabol nun.
And we gotta remember itong Cagayan, no? Again, ulitin natin the hottest team right now because they have yet to lose.
At saka nagkaroon pa ng pagkakataon maglaro as a Philippine team, no? Doon sa Asian Volleyball Championships, di ba? Ngayon nire-report ni Rina kanina. Samantala, Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza's gotta be Shakey's. Uy, si April may higa rin pala. Huli. Huli si Morado.
Mercado blocked again.
Had some interesting years also with Miss Familiar.
Oh!
Is that Steph? Yes, Stephanie Mercado sprawled on the floor.
Coach Oliver, galit na galit.
Assistant din ni Romilian,
Yeah.
no, ha?
Yep.
Sa Lasal. At disappoint siya. May chances eh. Pasok yun. So, inaasahan din eh. Kaya din pumasok din sa starting lineup yan. Ano yan, staple yan ni Nes Pamilya. Oh! Pasok.
Well, Maizo, anyone staple.
Any team.
Any team.
Tapos pag nagsama sila ni Ortiz, ibang klase sila, kambal din naman sila. Minsan pareho pa yung buhok.
Oo.
Doon sa USD, nung pag tumaligid, minsan nalilito ako dyan sa dalaw, pareho pa kung pumalo. Ala, na huli si Steph.
Good cover by Reyes.
We have two very good liberos here today, actually.
Yes.
Oh, si Reyes sa NU, siya ang libero, no?
Yes, yes.
In the meantime, Coco Wang ends up tumbling. At 21-13 could be just a matter of time before this is pocketed ng the hottest team. Tama si Noringo at ito na. Maiso.
Pero di ba, we always, when we cover, always say that volleyball, you have to have the shortest memory, di ba? Siyempre, that's why players, after they commit a mistake, they just shrug it off. Tapos na eh.
What
You
can
can't
you do?
dwell, di ba?
If you learn this game, this is the best game for you to learn the habit, the useful habit of move on. Now, Coco Wang is being hit by the serve here. Dalawang beses na siyang pinaparusahan ni Maiso.
Well, you know, Maizo, very smart player yan. She sensed that there is a Waterloo in the game of Coco Wang.
Kasi hirap din siya yumuko eh.
Oo, matangkad eh.
Matangkad. Hindi siya makababa all the way. So, pahirapan ko to sa serve. At least pahirapan ko. And nasa rotation, nasa likod ngayon. 14-23. Soraya. And this is almost like clockwork.
Well, you know what's nice about itong team ng Cagayan, no? You have two good Thai imports, but your support group is complete. The cast is complete. You have Maizo, Tabaquero working hard.
They could be the leading scorers for any other team.
Exactly. And Soriano. And like the player we mentioned, Eulalio.
Yes. Soraya goes to Eulalio and takes care of business. And we're done with this first set. It ends 25-14. Not even close.
Another shaky shake and play. Eulalio working hard.